We are so excited to be back doing group activities. It's been so long since we've been together as groups. Today we're finally getting out again to roll up our sleeves to help the community. We have more than 45 people going out to do good things for the earth to celebrate Earth Week, and it's also celebrating Community College Month. So we're bringing our volunteers out to the community to do good things. Some of the projects that we have going on today are cleaning the stream. We are going to be at the east branch of the DuPage River that is located near 53 in Roosevelt. That's a part of the DuPage River that COD has adopted. Our environmental club adopted that part of the river, so we are responsible for cleaning it. Some students are staying on campus, and we're going to go to the fuel garden and do some composting, clean out the beds, get them ready for planting, compost what we do clean out so that we're not having any waste. We're also going to the prairie to lay some mulch, plus other activities throughout DuPage County.
This was a perfect opportunity to help clean up nature. I did this years ago in high school, and it was so rewarding. And so when they said, there's the opportunity to do something, for Earth Day and help out, and I'm like, look, perfect. Here it is again, and I grabbed it.
Oh, I think it's wonderful. I volunteered at St. James Farm one year. It's something we all need to do. We all need to see that there's ways we can contribute to make our world a better place.